Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Autowerks Diaries. Today we have a 2019 M2 Comp and we're going to install a Remus GPF back exhaust system as well as our stage 1 tune and dyno the car. So follow us onto the hoist and let's get this in there. Hi guys, so we just finished up with the M2 Competition. We installed Remus catback system as well as our stage 1 tune, and we also dynoed the car. We got 500 plus horse and 700 plus Newton meter. That's just with our stage 1 ECU tune. Customers are gonna love it. So don't forget to like, follow and subscribe to our channels, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and we'll see you next time.